Let's go. So let's go. In this video we'll talk about the sections 8 and section 9 about the MSDS. So in the section 8, if you see, then there is talking about the only of the what is called like as a hazardous ingredient, in which kind of the chemicals are ingredient there in the, if you are making the all-purpose chemicals, like as an all-purpose chemical or any kind of the washing chemicals, if you are making, then on that chemical there is any kind of the those chemicals has used which is hazard, so the hazardous conditions, hazard for the environment, hazard for the personal health. So if there is any kind of the chemicals has been mixed on that particular chemicals, so that's supposed to be mentioned in the sections 8. Yeah, that is called the hazardous chemicals area. And there they're supposed to be the supplier when they are preparing, the manufacturer when they are preparing the products. On that time he's supposed to be write these things, that this kind of the chemicals he used in the this product which is hazardous for the human health and environment. So he's supposed to be mention those things is there in the sections 8. In the sections 9, if we'll talk about them, then the sections 9 I'll take like as an it's saying about the personal protections. Okay, so in the section 9 they supposed to be explain that in this particular product which they are producing to be clean this area and either you are going to buy, so in that products how to use, so what the PP supposed to be, the people has to be follow while they are used to be clean this their particular area. So on that time which kind of the PP equipment the people's user supposed to be used, so that's supposed to be explained in the section 9, like as gloves, mask, wear, shoes, these all the things. Respiratory is supposed to be also used if there is hard things is, then sorry, is supposed to be also use that. So that is called the particular that is called the in the sections, and that is in the section 9 area they supposed to be mention these all the things. Sections 10 and 11 is a little difference, is we do not need to be study. So it will be directly, I'll go now in the another video, I'll come with the sections 12. So in the 8 and 9, you already know in the 8 there is a hazardous chemicals if they have been used, that's one is they supposed to be explained in the 8 sections, that these chemicals are the hazardous for the environment, for the human health. And in the 9 they have explained about the personal protection, so like as in a PPE, all the PPE, wherever you are using those areas, so in that area you supposed to be wear those all the PPEs which is the which kind of the PPE are supposed to be wear, they have to be mentioned on that sections 9. So that is called the section 1, that is called the protections PPE. The protection precautions we can say, and the protection sections, yeah, whatever the sections 9 personal protections is, that we can be say it. So I hope you understood about the both things, both sections 8 or sections 9 about the MSDS. Okay.